In this video, I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now all you have to do is from the watch face, simply swipe down from the top to access the quick settings menu. And then from here, simply tap on this icon next to the settings, this right here, tap on it, and it will take you to this section. Now, there's the two options, there's the smart mode and the power saving mode. So all you have to do to enable power saving mode is simply tap on it, and then you should see a brief description of what it's all about. Only workout and health functions are available, and your watch battery should last about 16 days between charges. So to enable it, simply tap on and you should see that animation icon, and you should see this notification that you're now in power saving mode. So once you tap on the check mark, you can now see that you have enabled power saving mode on your OnePlus Watch 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.